WEM92 Beretta color black. Shoutout kay Sir Luis. Ayan, so naka metal slide, metal din yung frame nya. And then guys, WE is made in Taiwan. So threaded yung outer barrel nya. Selector, ayan, ambi. So hammer is metal. Magazine capacity is 26 rounds. Okay, so test natin. Again, shoutout kay Sir Luis. Firing 356. So for more details, mag-chat kayo guys sa Maverick Beltran. Yun yung yung personal account ko. So wala pa kaming access ngayon sa Mav Sabi Shop page. For the meantime, dun muna kayo mag-chat guys. So ayan, thank you.